I want to see the gel painting. I have a gel painting in the bottle. And if you don't have a gel painting in the bottle, I'm using the white one here. So you can get it, if you already have a gel painting in the pot, you can use twin tip brush and you can do that. So doing it simple ones, a lot of people were asking this for this again. So I'm gonna do, hopefully you can see it. Let me know if you can't. So it's really simple. I'm gonna draw the star. It doesn't have to be really perfect. Hope everyone have a great Saturday. I'm so busy. So I'm gonna leave it there alone for a second. Oh, so I'm sorry, I forgot to tell. So I have two coat of black gel polish, and I did the no wipe top coat here for 60 seconds. So when you're doing your pigments, make sure you're using a no wipe top coat. If you're using a matte top coat, the matte top coat is really nice as well, but it's stained a lot on the matte when you rub the pigments on. I love this precision brush. It's so convenient for me. If you don't have this one, you can absolutely you can get or you can have a gel painting and then using a light brush. Absolutely, you can draw this star. You can draw so much everything. We're gonna do another drawing too. We're gonna do a roses drawings, and we can draw some other fun on it. This is really fun and simple. Thank you, Mama Vic. I love it too. I don't know why it's so vibrant, and I'm really enjoying it though.
Oh, so live recipe go early.
Thank you, Livas. See you on Monday. Have a nice Sunday. Have a nice Saturday, the rest of Saturday. So let me move this one because I want to show you how I get this. Thanks so much, Livas, for tuning in. So I am using this precision, like a gel painting, the brush with the gel painting. Great. I'm gonna do some crystal on this, but let's cure this one for 15 seconds only. Great. Yes, Sonia, we heard that the hurricanes come in on our way. So I think it's like it's coming on Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, I think. All right, so I'm gonna do this 3 pigment. Doesn't matter. I'm choosing, you can do this 1, 2, 3 ombre together, or you can do it like I'm gonna do this one first. Like have a yellow. And then go into orange. Just like have a ombre look. You can do solid colors. You can do like yellows, orange, and then I just tap the other pigments off. And then pink or purple, it doesn't matter. You choose what you like to have it on. It's gonna be so fun. And then just simple with applicator. If you want to use a brush, absolutely fine. Just make it a little bit ombre. There you go, just blend it a little bit. Here you go. I'm gonna move this one for just a second and using my unicorn and dust that off. Make sure you apply the top coat first before you painted it. So now, if you don't want anything else, you can just need to top coat it and then clear, and you're good to go. I'm gonna add just a couple of the crystals, the neon crystal funds on this one. And then before that, I am gonna using condensed glue gels. Really thick density. I'm gonna do in this one. That's the reason I'm gonna cut my nails shorter, because it's getting everyone. Because it's just getting the stuff that I didn't know. So I'm gonna do the crystal around here, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna apply just condensed glue gels around that area. But if you're not sure, you can apply whole nails, absolutely fine. It's not gonna hurt at all because it's gonna blend really nicely. It's not going to see the residues or. All right, so I'm gonna apply the no wipe top coat on the top. And here's a no wipe top coat. And you're gonna apply flowing right on the top of that. Hello Instagram and Facebook, welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such live tutorial. Make sure I'm getting everything is good. Hey Facebook, hey Melanie, hi Tony, how are you? Thank you so much everyone for tuning in tonight. Just so pleasure to get to see you all, and thanks so much for sharing the stream for us. We really appreciate it. If you have any friends who love to learn something new and they couldn't even have chance to go and take classes or learning some new tip and trick, this is a quick, like really details of tutorial we are bringing it to you. Hope you all like enjoying it and we can all learn it together. So we take any of like, you know, is feedbacks, any suggestions, want to see something that you don't see in here, absolutely let us know. We're absolutely gonna either guide you. If we have the tutorial already, we're gonna send you the tutorial we've done, like ours, like 300 different tutorial we've done so far with different content. Let us know, and then we absolutely gonna get it for you. If you haven't done any of that tutorial, absolutely would love to do that. So I'm looking for one of the green one, and it definitely is going to be a pink one. So it doesn't matter. I'm using my neons right here from the kits that I just showed you earlier. here you go. That's all I want because of short nails. So I'm gonna do this, and here you go. So I'm gonna cure this one for 60 seconds, and we're gonna move on to the next nails.